today I'm changing the cabin air filter. We're gonna be going with this Ram Fresh Breeze brand. That's the correct model for this car, and he's gonna pop these things at the dash, and I don't know how. So first step is to take those out. I have no clue how to do it. Just give me a second. So I got the one side out. I don't even know how. I just kept turning it, so I think that's all I have to do is turn it, but I don't know. So it doesn't move in there. Should be like left and loose right there. There we go. Alright. So now this is apparently where you gotta get it from. Don't really know how. Oh my god, there's like no room. I'm gonna have to like get out the car and come do this. Oh, never mind, that was super easy. So the lock on the right side here, I just pinched it there. Hopefully you can zoom in there. Pinched the tab and then it came. So just getting this bad boy out. Yeah, that is nasty. I'll show you guys a new one right now. This is the new one. This is the one I just bought. This is how it comes. Pretty clean compared to all this. You can see all the dirt and everything. That's pretty disgusting. So same concept. You're just gonna slide this one back in, basically. The air flows down, if I stand correct. That's all I know, is that it flows down. That's what I was told. So yeah, and just gonna put this thing back in. It's a little dirty, but it's okay. Yeah. So I'll zoom into it and I'll show you. So that spot right over here is what we're gonna hit in first before we put the other side in, okay? And it should be in, yeah. It's in. So now we just gotta install these two little things I have, whatever the other one is. There we go, that one's in. Should I get this one in now? Let me see how I'm gonna get this done. Get my foot pop it open. Alright, just like that. Yeah, it's simple. All you do is just, so you're just gonna insert it. I use my knee to kind of give it some more elevation because it was kind of not sitting in the right spot. And I kind of rotated so I can get it done. Okay, now, oh, just, here we go. So now it's in, right? And then it's gonna rotate till you hit a click. Yeah, so this is the air filter we're gonna use. That's the one recommended for the car model. So right here is the air boxes. All we gotta do is take off. So we're just gonna take a screwdriver. Basically just turn. So there's 4 like box clips he's got to unclip. So what I did was I loosened the screw a little bit just for a little more play. Unhitched all the 4 clips that are around it, and then you can just pop it up. So you can just basically slide it out. Well, the cover will just come out like that, and you can just take it out. Put a new one in. all I'm gonna do now is just kind of put this cover back on. Some kinds can be a little hard over here, so careful with your hands and stuff. You want to make sure the tube, the air goes over it nice, snug back to fit into alignment. Seems to be fitting right. Okay, so doing this on your own will save you a lot of money compared to doing it at the dealership. At the dealership, I heard they're charging like $60 to get it done. It cost me only $40-something to get both parts. This is my first time doing it. If I knew how to do it before that, probably been a lot quicker. So I'm just gonna tighten the screw because I don't think I needed to loosen it, but I did just in case. So just make sure you tighten that back up. All right, anyways, so that's how you change your cabin air filter and your regular air filter in the 2010 Kia Forte Ex. Thanks for watching.